Hello and welcome to Bayer. My name is Laura and I'm a recruiter at Bayer. I'm here to give you some tips about applying for a job with our company. In the short videos in this guide, I will be giving you some background information and brief pointers about looking for vacancies at Bayer, applying to us, and what happens when you join our organization. Bayer is a very diverse employer. We have more than 35,000 employees in Germany alone. That is over 30% of our total global workforce. Employment opportunities and the jobs for which we hire people are equally diverse, and we wouldn't like you to miss a vacancy that you might find interesting. Moreover, we want to create a working environment where our employees can develop their full potential, drive forward innovation, and achieve outstanding performance. As a fair employer, we therefore want to give you the best possible support to help look for your dream job at Bayer. This guide, therefore, offers you a range of tips and insights into applying for employment at Bayer in Germany. How to search for a suitable vacancy, information on the application process, tracking the status of your application, the interview process, and onboarding when you have signed an employment contract. To help you apply, there are practical checklists showing what you need to consider and information on what our recruiting team specifically looks for in applications. You will also find an extensive FAQ on our career site. And of course, you can contact us personally at any time. If you have specific questions, please feel free to get in touch. For example, by calling the recruiting hotline on 0049 for Germany, 214-3099-779, or by contacting the career team in Germany via social media. We hope you enjoy exploring the exciting world of working for Bayer.